Yo, what's going on, guys? That Civic Guy here. I kind of wanted to make a video today, another vlog today, about some up-and-coming future things, I guess. Start off, I guess, I'm still working on the 240. The 240 is currently still under construction on the jack stands. So that's kind of a problem, but the 240 hopefully will be underway. Yeah, the 240 we have a lot of work to do on the 240. The 240 is just such a hard project to work on because I'm having to balance school and after school stuff like golf and working with Seymour that I work with, doing broadcasting and video editing and things like that for them. Yeah, my schedule's just been crazy busy, and I haven't had any time to work on it except maybe a weekend here and there. But hopefully during the spring break that's coming up soon, April 9th, since I'll be out of school, I can get a little bit more work done on the car. That way I can make sure that the car gets to Pro-Am and gets to, not Pro-Am, not Pro-Am. I can hopefully get the car done for Texas Street Legal once that rolls around. Maybe if I can't get to it this year, I'll get to it next year definitely, because I want to take my car and build it into a streetable drift car, somewhat like Adam LZ. If most of you guys know who Adam LZ is. Really, I just kind of want to make my car kind of like another centerpiece of my channel. You know, with the channel, ever since I found out about Adam LZ when I went to Import Alliance back in 2016, Adam LZ's really been like a center point to my channel personally, because beforehand I didn't really have a channel. I didn't have a way that I wanted my channel to go, you know. This kind of just thought of, because I found out about that dude in blue before I found out about Adam LZ. And I went to Import Alliance, and I kept hearing, hey, did you see Adam LZ? From everybody, not talking directly to me, but just in general. I'm like, who is Adam LZ? So I did a little bit of research on YouTube, and I found out that Adam LZ is a YouTuber that does BMX, and he has a beautiful wife, was the girlfriend at the time, of course. You're welcome, Adam. You know, everybody says that in general, so whenever I found out about Adam LZ, I was like, this dude's cool, you know, because he's owning one of my dream cars, because I've wanted a 240SX ever since I knew what drifting was. And I used to play Forza Motorsport on the original Xbox with my dad, and even though I had traction control and stability control and anti-lock brakes and, you know, all that, well, that's ABS, but anyway, all that stuff that was on there, I still would try to slide a car anytime I could. I'd take any car and I would try to slide it, but I was like 6, 7 at the time, so I didn't really know what kind of went into drifting. So with that, I took it and started racing dirt cars, and kind of just progressed from there. You know, now I'm into drifting. So from going from dirt cars to drifting, it's kind of a easy thing to kind of transition to, but it's not crazy easy, you know. And cars in general have become my main priority. I guess one of my main priorities. I mean, now I'm looking around town, and I was the first person with a Honda Civic in the town I live in, and now I'm looking in front of me and I see one. Yeah, I don't see any of those, but with a 240, or with a Honda Civic. I was the first one in town with one. And ever since then, I see Civic. I see another Civic. I see another Civic. It's crazy. People are just, you know, just bringing in Honda Civics, like that one back there, and just rolling with it, you know. And it's just crazy. Guess my friend up here just chilling. Want to have a little bit of fun. He's behind me now, so yeah. But anyway, back to the story. Drifting has become kind of a hobby and a backup job, I guess, if anything goes haywire with college or anything like that. Because, like I said, I've been interested in cars ever since I could think about what a car was. I have octane in my veins, so, you know, octane and oil all day. Cars are just amazing. You have 4 wheels, tires, and you have the driver's seat. You can have as much freedom, of course with rules, as much freedom as you want, but with cars, sometimes that freedom can get taken away by doing things that you don't need to do. So, yeah. Cars can be fun. You can modify them, you can trick them out. And just not, don't do it Pimp My Ride style. Pimp My Ride is, no. Just, no. I like it to where you can have a sleek, stylish car, but have the horsepower that you're looking for. Because with a car, you want something that is sleek, that's stylish, that you can ride around in, and people are like, oh, what's that? And you're like, this is this, you know, and this is my car. This is what I drive around in. And people are like, oh, cool, that's really cool, you know. So, really with that, you can just have cars turn into whatever. I mean, there's a dude from Australia, I think, and he made his truck flip over. And yeah, it's a flip chassis with a roll cage in it. It's pretty cool. Cars are just something I enjoy in general. And also to back up what I was saying about the future things, the 240 is one thing I need to get done. That way, I can take it to events in New Orleans at NOLA Motorsports Park. I can take it to Florida for OSW. I can take it to Georgia for Import Alliance and events like that. I can take it to Texas Street Legal and some of the Lone Star Drift events down there. Mobile International Speedway actually is about to open up a drift track. They're in the works of it right now. There's a video going around. I'll have that right here. Got a few plans. In August, I want to go to Grid Life this year, finally, please. You know, because I've been wanting to go for 2 years now, and every single time we would try to go, something would come up, so I would never be able to go. But this year, I'm going to go. So if any of you guys watching my channel, you know, want to meet up or something, just meet me. Just hit me up. I'm down to meet anybody. I'm no stranger. Yeah, everybody's my friend. So, especially in the car community, everybody's my friend. Of course, yes, you know, I I have certain types of builds that I don't like, but yeah, that's your personal opinion. So whatever you like, I like. Just not as much, I guess. So yeah, that's pretty much what I have planned so far for the 240 project and for the rest of the year. Also, I am going to graduate May 14th from high school, so I have to pick a college soon, and hopefully I can go to that certain college, whichever college I pick, and go into cinematography and videography, and hopefully pursue a degree in that. And then after that, I plan on going to UTI for something in the automotive field. That way I can still work on race cars and learn about different engines and different modifications to different cars, and kind of just learn the ropes, you know, and experience what it's like to be a technician or to work in NASCAR or something like that. Anyway guys, hope you had a great day. This is That Civic Guy signing out.